Hello everyone, I am Harshita and today's topic is spend authorization in expenses. Spend authorization can be requested by an employee for approval of estimated expenses for a future activity. Employee needs to submit spend authorization request. After submitting spend authorization request, manager approve the request and then employees can submit expense report using that spend authorization. So when a spend authorization is approved, it is available for use against actual expenses. So what employee needs to do is employee needs to request for the authorization, then manager will approve that authorization, and then after getting the authorization, employee can use that authorization against actual expenses. So this is the concept of spend authorization in expense module. Now what we will do, we will move to the instance and we will request one authorization and see how the approval is done and how we can use the same against the actual expenses while creation of the expense report. So moving to the instance now. Now, after logging to the instance, go to Navigator. Under Me, go to Expenses. For requesting authorization, go to Authorization page, and from here you can request authorization. Just click on it, add your purpose, give your expense location, give start date. I'm giving today's date, and I'm also giving the end date here. Now add estimated expense here, give your template, give the type, sorry, not breakfast, it's air, and add the amount. And if you want to add description attachment, you can do that. And if you want to create another estimated expense, you can go for save and create another. But right now I'm just using one. So saving and closing the same. Now we are done with the authorization. Let's now submit it for the approval. So for that, go to submit and click on it. Now your authorization is in the status of pending manager approval. So the manager of the KC Brown is Anita Kennedy. So let's log in as a Anita Kennedy now. Now you can see I have logged in as Anita Kennedy now. So let's go to this bell icon and see the notification. Here you can see authorization approval for KC Brown 120 USD is coming. If you want, you can directly approve it from here, or for more information, just click on this hyperlink. So for now, I'm approving it from here only. So this is how our authorization request got approval of the manager. Now we will log in as Casey Brown again and will create expense report by applying this authorization. So I have logged in as Casey Brown now. So let's go to Navigator, Me, Expenses. If you will go to authorization, you can see the status as approval complete here. Now we will go to travel and expense page and we will create an expense report now. Give your purpose and give the authorization. And after giving authorization, just click on this create item for creating an item here. Give the date and template, give the type, add amount. There are other fields also. If you want, you can add information of that fields also here. But right now I'm giving only the mandatory fields. So after giving all the mandatory fields, just save and close the same and accept the corporate travel and expense policy and submit the expense report. When you will submit this expense report, if you will go back to the authorization, you can see here applied to one report is coming. If you will click on it, you can see the detail here. So this is how authorization works in the instance. So this is all for today. Thank you.